Americans stunned by the soaring price of eggs may have to wait months for some relief. After government data showed egg prices in December were up 138% from a year before, at $4.25 per dozen, some analysts say it could be 4 to 6 months before prices ebb. The primary driver has been a devastating outbreak of avian influenza, also called AI or bird flu.
One of the worst AI outbreaks that we've ever seen in this country. We've lost right around 43 million egg laying hens.
The disease forced farmers to cull millions of egg-laying hens, decimating supplies which are now being rebuilt. Other price drivers are the costs of feed grain, fuel, and labor, all boosted by inflation. If both those input costs and the bird flu abates, prices could follow, says Brian Mosco-Giuri, a global trade strategist for egg supplier Eggs Unlimited in Irvine, California.
The hope is that, as we get into the summer months, we will see, repopulation kind of fully get us back to the levels that, we need to be to balance supply and demand. But there is a lot of uncertainty regarding, again, the spring migration and birds, moving back up north and flying over the country, and the amount of AI that they've been finding in the wild bird population. But I would say, hopefully the consumers have already seen, the highest price that they will see at the shelf, and will potentially see some relief in the future.
The surge in egg prices has led one U.S. farm group to demand a federal probe. The group Farm Action last week sent a letter to the chair of the Federal Trade Commission asking her to investigate record high profits at the top U.S. egg company, Cal-Maine Foods. An attorney for Farm Action said he wanted the FTC to look into whether, quote, consumers are being price gouged. The FTC declined to comment. Cal-Maine, which controls 20% of the retail egg market, reported last month its most recent quarter saw a 110% rise in net sales compared with a year earlier. Gross profits jumped more than 600% over the same period. In a statement, Cal-Maine said that higher production costs, along with avian flu, were contributing to higher prices.